Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee without eggs. Use a creamy base of heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla, then add cornstarch or silken tofu as the thickener and whisk until smooth. Temper the mixture with warm cream, pour into ramekins, and bake in a water bath until just set. Chill thoroughly, then sprinkle sugar and torch for a crisp caramel top before serving warm and fragrant. Start by heating the cream with a vanilla pod or extract until it steams and releases aroma. Whisk cornstarch into a small portion of cold cream to form a smooth slurry without lumps. Gradually pour the hot cream into the slurry while whisking to temper and build stability, then return to low heat until the custard slightly thickens. Strain for extra smoothness, then divide into ramekins for baking in a water bath. Place filled ramekins into a deep baking dish and add hot water halfway up their sides to create a gentle water bath. Bake gently until centers wobble slightly, then cool to room temperature and refrigerate until completely firm for best texture. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar and caramelize with a kitchen torch or under a hot broiler until bubbly and golden for that signature crack and contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.